Welcome to Kids Learning Center.
Hello kids. In this video, we will learn alphabet. A.
A.
B.
B.
C.
C.
D.
D.
E.
E.
F.
F.
G.
G.
H.
H.
Red color.
Red color.
Orange color.
Orange color.
Yellow color.
Yellow color.
Blue color.
Blue color.
Green color.
Green color.
Purple color.
Purple color.
Pink color.
Pink color.
Brown color.
Brown color.
A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for doll.
D for doll.
E for egg.
E for egg.
F for frog.
F for frog.
G for glass.
G for glass.
H for hat.
H for hat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.
I, J,
J,
K,
K,
L,
L,
M,
M,
N,
N,
O,
O,
P,
P,
I,
I,
J,
J,
K,
K,
L,
L,
M,
M,
N,
N,
O,
O,
Donald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a,
P,
everywhere.
P,
Old MacDonald
I,
had a
J, K,
E-I-E-I-O.
L, M, N, O, P,
Q,
Q, R,
R,
S,
S,
T,
T,
U,
U,
V,
V,
W,
W,
X,
X. Q,
Q, R,
R.
S,
S.
T,
T.
U,
U.
V,
V.
W,
W.
X,
X.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Y.
Y,
Z.
Z,
Y.
Y,
Z.
Z, Y, Z. Thank you. See you soon.